In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Mixamo, Adobe Mixamo, which is a website that can help you to do really easily and automatically the rigging for your character, or if you want, you can try with the characters that are already in Mixamo. And you can do rigging and animation, apply preset animations. So this is to really make things, a lot easier for people who want to animate quickly their characters. Now, this character here I've uploaded, it's in FBX format. So on the right side, you have the possibility to look for animations, to upload the character, and also to download it once you're finished. And if you double click on the left side, you have the animation. So this is kind of capoeira animation that I applied. So that's how easy it is. So you just, select the character, apply the animation. Now let me show you everything from the beginning. It all starts with Adobe, of course. So you can go directly by searching Adobe Mixamo on the web and just click on the link. Now, if you don't know how to create characters, you can use Substance. You can use 3D Studio Max, Maya. You can use ZBrush, Matbox, and Blender. You can do however you want your character. And once you finish it, you can just upload it. Now, this is the link directly to Mixamo, and now it's already open with my character. So I'm gonna close everything. Now the other way you can access Mixamo is just through the Creative Cloud web application or your Creative Cloud desktop application. So just look for Mixamo and just click to open it. Or usually you'll find it in the Creative Cloud dashboard in your app space. If you go all the way down, you see all the apps. You should find it down there in the other apps that you usually can use with the standard subscription. So yes, you definitely need a Adobe account, and there it is. So I can open it up. This is the website. It's really simple, nothing too complex here. We can choose characters and animations on the left, and then we can just upload our character using the upload character button on the right. And I used ZBrush for this character here, but again, you can use Matbox. It's an excellent 3D tool. You can use also Blender, and you find the video courses in the channel to create characters. You can also look for the 3D character design course. Now, you can click on upload. You can choose FBX, OBJ, or zip. You can navigate. I'm navigating here in my computer folder where I store some ZBrush models, and I can just select one, FBX, and make sure your character has like open arms and open legs and also open fingers so that it can be rigged automatically, like with a artificial intelligence process. So you don't need to do anything. Just select the file, make sure it's in the readable format, and just wait. You don't need to do anything else. Now, this won't take long, and also be careful not to upload complex characters, really heavy characters with a lot of polygons. It's preferable to use low poly, but you can try with a little bit more polygons. You can try to have a little bit more details. And there it is. This is the character. So if I click on next, now it's asking me to place the chin point and then the wrist points. And right now I'm using symmetry. You can also deactivate the symmetry, but usually you want to do this because it's gonna help to save time both in modeling, sculpting, and also in rigging and animating. So these are the elbows and then the knees, and finally the central point pivot. And once you're finished, you can also use the magnifier as you saw on the top right to place this correctly. And once you finish to position this, you can also choose other skeletons. So what it's going to do this is going to automatically generate skeleton with bones inside that will animate the skin, which is your 3D mesh. So that's the use symmetry down there, and also you can pick other types of skeleton with three chains for the fingers, or two chain fingers, or no fingers at all. So I'm gonna go for the standard skeleton, which probably is gonna have like the possibility to animate also the fingers of the hand, and just click next. Now you just need to wait a few seconds. It's not gonna be long, usually, unless the 3D model is pretty complex, but just do some tests. If it takes too long, just try with another low poly version of your character. So after a while, we should see then the preset animation. There we go. So this is the preset animation showing us how it's going so far. So I think it's going pretty well. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can use the animation. You can click with the left mouse. You want to orbit. You can click with the middle mouse if you want to pan. You can scroll the scroll wheel if you want to zoom, and you find also the animation tools on the left side. So you can zoom pretty close and see if everything is going right, or if there is too much distortion. If it's not working right, you can just go back, start again, try to position the pinpoints a little bit different. Again, you have rotation, pan, zoom. You can reset the camera to the original position, just not great. It's like pointing on the feet. And you can also follow camera, toggle follow camera, so it's going to follow the character if it's moving more. And then you can also turn off and on the visualization of the skeleton. So this is what we've done here. We just created automatically the skeleton and the bones and the joints for our animation. Now let's click next, and I'm gonna just override the previous character. Okay, now the bones is looking flat on the ground, but if I click on disable skeleton views, it's gonna look fine. So, well, this depends on how you created this and how you exported this, depending on the 3D software you used. And just click on the animations, and that's it. So you just successfully animated your 3D character, which was previously, static. And we can change all the parameters on the right side if we want to adjust the animation. We want to make that faster, slower. We want, like, well, depends on the animation. So sometimes you can, there you go. So you can change the way. And this is also static pose if you want some static pose. So it's gonna slightly change the way the character moves or it's posed. So this is a walk, but if I start to like increase the arm space here, you can see it's walking with the different style, if we can say that. So that's it. Once you're finished, you can click on download. You can download on FBX format or others if they are available, and you can use the skin or not. You can change the frame per second and the keyframe reduction, and that's it. Click on download and you're done. You have your animated 3D character that now you can use in any animation you want, in any project, wherever. It's right there in the download folder. You can see it in there. You can also use Aero. You can send it to Aero, which is for augmented reality, and it's also an Adobe application. But if you click here, it's gonna tell you just to download and then upload it to Aero directly, and let's say manually. So we'll try to do some other video guides about augmented reality. Well, you can also search it in the channel. If there is already in there, you'll find it in the search. Also subscribe to stay updated for more video guides like this, and please join the channel as a supporter to support us creating new videos, new guides, new courses, etc., etc. So I'm just gonna continue to play around here. You have animations, you also have characters. So if you click on the characters, you can use the 3D characters that Mixamo will give you. If you don't want or you don't have the time to create your own, you can just pick one of these and just use this character instead of your customized character that you can create with any 3D modeling and sculpting application. So this is a knight here, And that's it. So I think it's enough for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Please check out other video courses and video guides in the channel. And again, subscribe, join to stay updated and to support us. See you in the next video.